In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer opening balance in Zoho Books. This is an essential skill for managing your accounts effectively, especially when you're bringing in customer data from a prior accounting system into Zoho Books. Let's dive right into the steps to ensure you have a smooth transition. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section in Zoho Books. Once there, look for the Customers tab, as that's where all your customer-related actions will take place. When you're in the Customers tab, you'll notice an option to create a new customer. Simply click on the Plus New button to initiate the process of adding a new customer. This is an important step because Zoho Books needs to differentiate between existing and new customers, particularly when you're dealing with opening balances. Next, you'll need to fill in all the necessary details for the new customer. This typically includes information such as the customer's name, email address, phone number, and company details if applicable. Inputting accurate information is crucial, not only for keeping your records tidy, but also for ensuring effective communication with your customer. If needed, take a moment here to check that all entries are correct. This will save time and headaches later on. Once you have the basic details filled out, scroll down to find the Other Details section, which is often located further down the same page. This section might be easy to overlook if you're in a rush, but it's where you'll enter the customer's opening balance amount. The opening balance is basically the amount they owe, or the credit they have available with your organization at the time of their entry into Zoho Books. Be precise while entering this figure because it directly impacts your financials and reporting accuracy. After entering the customer's details and opening balance, take a moment to review everything you've inputted. Confirm that all details are spelled correctly and the numbers align with your records. This double check ensures your customer data is solid from the start. When you're satisfied that all the information is accurate, go ahead and save the new customer's profile in the system. And there you have it. You've successfully added a customer opening balance in Zoho Books. This process might seem simple, but understanding each step thoroughly helps ensure your accounting records remain accurate and reliable. Remember, correctly managing your opening balances is key to maintaining an accurate financial overview of your business. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to connect with support channels available within Zoho Books. Thank you for tuning in, and happy accounting.